So first thing you want to do is put the motherboard back to its place. You will have to put it on its place on the right side and then just lean it inside like that. Now you have 3 screws. You have to tighten them up. Insert the rear camera and connect it. Connect the earphones, flex cable, front camera, now you have to connect this ribbon cable and this ribbon cable. If this plastic falls down, there's a plastic here on the right side. I will just show you this one. Just put it back inside. Now connect the antenna cable. Put this Wi-Fi antenna or whatever it is back to its place. Oh, sorry, you don't have to do this yet. You will have such a metal. You have to unscrew this screw right here on the top right. Put this metal on its place and now screw it back in. Now you have to put the plastic back and you will see a hole here in the metal. You have to put the plastic through the hole right there. That's it. Now insert the battery back in. You can connect it if you want to. And now the most important part, you will have to glue back the back cover. So in order to do that, you will have to clean it properly. I just did it before. And clean the frame of the phone. And after that, you will use some adhesive. I use this one. put adhesive on the frame. And now if you use this kind of adhesive that I am using, you don't want to put the back cover directly after you have put the adhesive on the frame. I recommend you to let it rest for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and after that put the back cover and you're done. You will have your phone one piece again. Thanks for watching.